I'm sure you've heard the news. Interlock driveways are all the rage. They look great last ages and you can actually do it yourself. Let's break it down together. First things first, mark out the area you want to cover. Use stakes and string to get crisp, straight lines. Next, dig down about 20 centimeters. Yes, it's a bit of a workout, but you want room for your base layers. Now toss in a good layer of crushed stone about 15 centimeters deep. Compact it, really stomp it down, so your interlock won't shift over time. Then, add a layer of bedding sand, around 3 to 5 centimeters. Level it out with a board, nice and flat. Time for the fun bit, laying your interlock. Start in one corner and place each stone snugly against the next. Keep checking you're staying straight. Trust me, it's worth the effort. Got an odd edge? Use a rubber mallet and a chisel to trim stones to fit. Once you're happy, sprinkle sand over the whole lot, then sweep it into the gaps. A quick run over with the compactor locks everything in place. And there you have it. A professional-looking path or patio done by you. Give it a quick rinse and you're ready to show it off to the neighbors. Fancy a go? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and follow for more DIY tips.